Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel app easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape. Then select the text edit, select anymore, select a shape, size the shape, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.